Alright, gang, Missouri Mike back again, and I'm actually in Virginia doing some door knocking today with my buddy Chris. Jeff and Brandon are here also. We're hunting an older part of town, built 1802. So let's see what can happen. Let's get on to the next one. Hey gang, down there about 6 inches or so, I just popped this out. Probably fake, but I'll investigate it later. But still, it's cool. And let's see if we can get something else. Cool ring. Alright, on to the next one. Alright guys, Chris Nelson's on one.
Possible clad.
Now this has been tore out spot. Let's see what he's got.
Oh, it's clad.
Oh man.
1996.
Oh, bummer.
Well, it's got silver on it though. Looks good.
It does.
Darn it.
Well, this house is a tear out. So
Yeah.
tear outs are bad to have money on top of the ground. So
Yeah.
hey, it's a start. See what else we can get.
Thanks.
All right, guys. After about 30 no's, finally got a yes. I mean 30 no's is true. We've hunted and asked and asked and asked, and these yards are real small, so there's absolutely no room to hunt. And finally got an older lady here, and she said it was okay, so we're going to start off here, and the flowers are coming up, and there's where we're at. So wish us luck, and it's really cooling off now. You can really tell it's coming in, so hopefully we can find something else here. Alright, on to the next one. Hey gang, check this out. You know what that is, don't you? It's a buckeye. Yep, this one's a unique one though. See how it's got another buckeye on top of it? It's called a starter buckeye. It's the first one of these I've ever found. Oh man, it's supposed to bring good luck. I'll put this in my digging pouch with my other buckeyes that I carry. I actually carry, I'll show you, I carry 2 more here with me. I've had these on another dig for years and years and years. I've carried these. This one here, I've carried that one for years. Now I can add a new one, see? Alright, this one hadn't done much for me. This one's going to though. Alright. So stay tuned. See what else we can get. Oh, there's another buckeye. I picked it up. That means I got to keep it. Maybe I'll gift it to somebody. If I do, then they'll have good luck too. Oh, another starter buckeye. Yep. All right. Stay tuned. That's an oldie. Hopefully we can get some good stuff here. Alright guys and gals, got me a car. It's not a real low one, but it's still cool. This one's been in the mud. It's a muddy car. Number 68. Alright, let's get some more. All I'm wanting is one good coin here today. One good one. Let's see if we can get it. Hey guys, check this out.
I don't know what it is.
Chris just dug this. We're gonna just reveal it live here.
Yeah.
He's all red.
Yeah, I don't know what I've got here.
It's big silver.
It's got a good serrated edge on it.
Could be a silver dollar.
See that?
Oh, it's not.
Oh, it's a token of some sort.
It's still cool. What is it, dude?
I don't know. It's a Bass Pro Shop token.
A Bass Pro Shop
Darn
token.
it! Darn it! I thought for sure I had something good there.
Oh man. What in the world?
All I saw was that serrated edge and dadgummit.
Oh, it's actually a bass token for the bass membership. It's still cool.
Yeah. Oh, it had me going.
Alright, well, that's a big one. Good job. Alright. I can see it being silver. Alright guys, I haven't found much of anything so far, but I did get an arrow. I don't know what it's for, what it was on. But we're going to keep going here. It's really cooled off. Fingers are hurting. Supposed to snow tonight, so we'll see. keep working it. Ooh, it's an arrow. It'd be hard to shoot out of a bow. I think it's copper. Alright, see what else we can get. Alright guys, Reserve Mike back here doing a wrap up. So, go out to Virginia and do some door knocking, and we really toughed it out in some bad weather. We had snow and cold freezing rain, and we only got to actually door knock one day, and it really didn't get on any good houses. Found one old site that downtown Lynchburg, and I tell you what, it's a pretty rough area. Didn't find much of anything. I ended up with only finding one weed head here, 1912, pretty crunchy one. Old house site, just so much trash. I did find this cool bottle. It says, I don't know, Burley's. Contents 6 3/4 fluid ounces. It's got a stamp on here of Roanoke, Virginia, and it's a not a twist top, but an actual lid top of some sort. So that was probably one of my better finds of the whole trip at the door knocking site anyway. And got a shotgun shell stamp. That's pretty cool. And I got a little bit of iron like usual. I did get this junk ring on the sidewalk strip. Got hiccups. I tumbled it. It did have brass on or gold on it. Now it's all crunchy black. Old car. And a knife. And that was about it. A couple building pennies, Lincoln pennies. Not much clad. Pretty sorry day. But hey, some of them's like that. So, anyway, thanks for watching. And on to the next one. This is Mike. And I'm out.